Bonjour! Hola, ni hao, konnichiwa, annyeong, mabuhay. This is Angelique and you're watching my YouTube vlog.
Society. Books are the most potent instruments of emancipation from the
And for the final reminders and announcement regarding the details.
Mr. and Miss UE Pak.
Saan tayo?
Isolation sa pate.
Ito pinipili. Ayan o. O, doon tayo. Ganda.
Ayoko na, te. It's not for me.
Umaambun na, bilisan. Lahat tayo nakaganon. Ten. Ayun ba yung isa?
Ano to?
Ay, ano to?
Mute ba yan?
Nakamute ba dapat? Tapos hindi nagpe-play, okay lang. Meron naman kay Jody.
Nag-vlog kami dyan, no? Hindi. Hindi kami sa reset.
Ay, ang ganda! Oo nga! Ay, dapat. Wait naman, saan siya adobo? Gusto ko yan. Siya adobo.
At saka ano? Sino ba yun? Ito. Sarap to, be.
Mura lang. Sige. Hi. Hello.
Te, tapos na yung kuko mo, te. Bayad ka na po.
Siya pa yung isang niya.
Magandang umaga po.
Sa ano na lang tayo? Higaan, lagay ko.
Pero okay lang. Relax ko lang ulit.
after isang planting. Hindi mo nagigil?
Mas ano mo kilos. Yung mga natututunan mo.
Sobrang baba naman ako. Going to PICC! Go na! Oh my god, I love your hair. Look! Look here. Oh my god! Super maulan! Wait lang po! Asan sila? Dito! Asan sila?
Doon sila, lating sila eh.
Doon ba sila o sa kabila? Ayaw, sa kabila.
Dean Michelle H. Concepcion, College of Arts and Sciences, Caloocan. Dean Gary C. D., College of Arts and Sciences, Manila.
Bachelor of Science in Psychology. And Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. They have been recommended by their respective faculty after having completed all the requirements prescribed by this university, subject to the confirmation.
If I pledge that I will do myself as a member of the organization,
As a member of our organization.
I will keep a harmonious relationship with its leaders and members,
I will keep
perform my duties with dedication, and maintain professionalism and integrity in my work, practicing the spirit of volunteerism.
Ms. Angela Renina D. Cruz, the Outstanding Graduate Awardee, will lead the graduates in the recitation of the Pledge of Loyalty. Jody B. Bautista, cum laude. Abby Vivienne A. Bernales, cum laude. Mary Grace M. Bonyon, cum laude. Ana Joy M. Natividad, cum laude. Maria Leonora M. Nepomuceno, cum laude.
Say hi. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Yarm. Okay, next po. Sino po? Sino po mapapaspasan ng blessing? Hindi, okay ako. Hanggang maubos yan, ah. Oh, go, Dre, ikaw uli. Hindi, ayoko, te. Busog ako.
Uy, malapit na tayo.
Illegal view.
Ayoko.
Grabe ka nga.
Yung dami kong na...
Ito yung sa'yo, babe. Large sa'yo. Ang bako.
Mamaya ulit sa labas.
Picture tayo.
Gutang pabili. Food court. Saan? Yan.
Bawal tayo dyan eh.
Ayun, bibili lang.
Papaabot lang.
Sige, walang dalang pera.
Gcash. Hindi ito, oh. Sasangla ba to? Uy, mabigat siya.
Ito, yung ano.
Sasangla. Saan yun? Ay, saan pala ito sa Oli? Sabay-sabay na lang tayo. Tapos picture tayo mamaya. May 500 din yun. Tara, bibili ka ba? Gcash. Bibili. Tara, samahan kita. Ayun, ayun.
For Team Christian R. Cruz.
Thank you. Ano message niyo, sir?
Ang hirap naman. All the best. Congratulations sa lahat ng gumraduate.
Thank you so much.
Deeply grateful to my alma mater,
Deeply grateful to my alma mater,
the University of the East.
University of the East.
I hereby pledge to her,
I hereby pledge to her,
on this solemn
help me God. At gaganin ba? Wait lang, nakapin eh. Hindi ko
Prize for the singing of the UE hymn to be led.
Last you him.
San ka namin mahal, inasa kariblan. Buhay na kasulong, namal pamantasan ka naman, pamantasan ka namin mahal.
Clarence C. Tamayo.
Nanginginig ako?
Shane Jillian A. Tan. Joyce Krista B. Terina. Janus Matthew Nelson B. Aguilar. Angelique May B. Alcala. Shamir K. B. Alimpolos. Justin Ray P. Amporta. Andrea
Congrats, class 2023! Ano noise? Wait lang ba yan? Thank you! Si Mama! Mama! Si Dada! Thank you!
Haha. Kasang dami sa kapila.
Sayon! 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 Uy! Hello! Ano daw? Laruan na naman? Congratulations! Oh, kiss mo ako, bibilang kitang toy. Oh, wait lang, bidyoan mo kami. Bidyoan mo kami. Bye! Bye-bye!
Play!
Play ka!
Go play na!
Ayaw umuwi ng bata. Ayaw, wow, wow. Ang gutom na pamilya. Hindi, sige, mo siya. Sabi mo, Mama, kamo. Mama! Mama, hanapin mo. Wow, strong. Strong daw siya, Strong?
Angelique May B. Alcala. Shalmaine K. B. Alimpolos.
Sometimes I wonder what life could have been if pandemic didn't happen. Don't get me wrong, I am very blessed during the pandemic. But sometimes I just wonder. It felt like kasi na ang dami kong na-miss during my college days sana. And it's been more than a year since I graduated from the university, and to be honest, mas nakakamiss pala talaga yung pumasok sa school, yung tipong akads lang yung stress. I just wish na mas nasulit ko pa sana yung college days ko. But you know what? I am forever grateful that I found friends and mentors that helped me along in this journey. Feeling ko, di ko masusurvive yung college days ko kung hindi dahil sa kanila. Kaya if you're watching this vlog and you're still in your university era, enjoy it, every ups and downs, and learn and grow from it. Hindi mo malalaman na you're very blessed during this journey if hindi mo ma-appreciate ang lahat. And if you are not included in these pictures or in this video and nakasama kita during my college days, just so you know, I am very grateful that I have you in my life. Thank you kasi nakasama ka sa parte ng buhay ko. And yeah, and for someone na nanonood nito, I hope na mas sumabaybay pa kayo after my college era. Because from college era to adulting era, who have thought, right? Sobrang bilis lang ng panahon. Enjoy every moment, everyone! And that's it for my college era. Just a little glimpse of it. Adios, sayonara, ciao, paalam. See you on my next era. Bye!